Hello everybody, it's me Marisha, and today I decided to show you how to fix leggy, stretched out or elongated succulents. So hope you're interested in that topic. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get right into it. Right, what happens in that situation where succulents get leggy and stretched out, elongated? What happens is that they reach for light. Now, succulents need a lot of light, and if you can't provide maybe grow lights for them or enough sun exposure, maybe in the winter, they can stretch out. Now, some people really don't like the look of them. I personally think it's fine, but once the succulents gets too stretched out, that's when I know it's time for a trim. Now, even if they stretch, they're not going to die, they're not going to be unhealthy. It's just the way that they look that you might dislike. So what I did was I removed all the babies from the pot, then I trimmed where I wanted to trim. Then you can remove a few leaves from the stem, but make sure to leave some on so that the plant will have better time shooting new growth more easily, more quickly from the stem. I also propagate those leaves too, and you can do that as well. It just takes time and patience. But you will have new babies afterwards. When I got this particular succulent, it was small and stretched out, and it just doubled in size, but it was kind of not too compact, so that's why I cut it. But now I will try to give it as much light as I possibly can, and we'll see what happens. So if you want your succulents to be compact and colorful, give them some light, and if you don't, they will get leggy and they will be just plain green. If you like the look of it, just leave it like that. But not all succulents get stretched out at the same rate, if that makes sense. So basically, some succulents can tolerate lower light conditions way more easily than others. That's what I was trying to say. Now, once you put our new cutting back into the pot, make sure that you leave it and air dry it before you put it back into the pot. Or you can also put it back into the pot and just don't water it for the next week, because obviously there is way less oxygen in the soil, so it will have much harder time to callus over. I think I'm just going to put my cutting back into the soil. I did air dry it for just a couple of days and I put them back into the pot, and I am not watering it for the next week, and then I can give at least little babies just a bit of water. And also, if you make an arrangement, it helps to not to overwater, because all the succulents will get the amount of water they need. In this case, I just have babies around my little plant. It's not little anymore. But yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!